Alright, once again we're looking at the CNC machine. There's stepper motors here, coupled with a piece of rubber hose. It's for the Y-axis. Here's our Z-axis stepper motor. A couple of drawer slides, ball bearing drawer slides. And we found there was a little bit of play, so we actually, down here you can see, we put in some Teflon preload that kind of push it out this way to give it a preload against the bearing surface. And there you can see the 1/4-20 rod that is driven by the Z-axis stepper motor. I have a couple limit switches here. You can see our Y-axis. It's a nylon nut in a piece of oak that travels along the Y-axis. Yeah, we have kind of our junction box in our Y or X-axis stepper motor with the same piece of rubber tubing with hose clamps as our coupler. Here we have a metal plate, excuse me, a piece of circuit board that we use for our setting our Z-axis. We can actually clip this alligator clip onto the tool and then tell the software to come down until there's electrical connectivity between the tool and this copper plate here, and then it's automatically sets 0. Here are our V bearings. That's a little shaky there, but you can see the grooved bearing that rides along the piece of aluminum channel there. You can get a better view over here. And then you can see that they just ride. It's actually quite smooth. I was pleasantly surprised. And here we have our control electronics. This is what they call a bob or a breakout board. It takes the parallel port, which has 5 inputs and several outputs. I'm not sure how many, but the inputs are limit switches, emergency stop, and our probe for doing our auto zeroing. Here we have the stepper motor driver for the Z-axis. This will handle up to 1.5 amps. These are our two X and Y stepper motor drivers. They will handle up to 3 amps. And then we have a 10 amp 24 volt DC power supply to drive the motors. And I'm not sure if we can zoom in from the lighting here to get a kind of a test example of what we're able to do. There we go. There's some there's Jennifer's initials, JAW. Yeah, when that right there happened, I was pretty amazed. And then also we did a circle test of repeatability for some inlay work that Tom and I are going to do on some of his jewelry boxes. Let's see how that's upside down. This is Tom's initials, TEJ. Let's see if I can get there. So we'll probably do some more router testing, and I'll have some more video of it actually in operation.